and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious. We're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe.
So friends, let's begin making this DALIMBI BHAT or DALIMBI rice. Now here I've taken about a cup of DALIMBI, which is also called lima beans or field beans. They look like this. Now I'm just going to wash them thoroughly thrice under running water and rinse out the water. Now I'm going to list all my ingredients with the exact measurements in the description box as well as the comments box. Now after giving them a nice thorough wash 3 to 4 times, we are going to soak them in some clean water for at least 10 to 12 hours or overnight. So if you soak the beans in the evening, then the next morning we just have to drain out all the water and again keep it for another 10 to 12 hours. So here I'm soaking it. I've kept it overnight. I soaked it in the evening. So I'm just covering and keeping it overnight. And in the next day, you will see that the beans have sprouted like this. And then after that, we're going to again soak them in some water for about an hour, and then we are going to peel them so they look like this. Now I've got exactly 1 cup of these beans, so I've taken exactly 1 cup of rice. You can use any rice. Here I have about 2 cups of water. This is a paste made out of cumin seeds, coconut and green chilies. You'll get the exact measurements in my description box as well as comments box. Here are a few curry leaves. This is some ghee or clarified butter, some salt to taste. This is some ginger garlic paste, about a tablespoon. This is a little bit of jaggery or ghoul. This is kara masala or goda masala, some haldi or turmeric powder. Now this goda masala recipe, I will link it in my description box. I have a recipe for homemade goda masala. You can make it at home. It's very simple. And some asafotedia or hing. Now here I've kept those 2 cups of water for boiling. We're going to heat a pan and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now once my ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to be adding this mori seeds or mustard seeds or rye, about half a teaspoon. And we're going to wait for them to splutter. Then we're going to add our curry leaves and let them fry a bit. Our hing and asafotedia, about half a teaspoon. Haldi powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're going to add our ginger garlic paste, which is made from about 5 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. We're going to let this fry a bit. Now we're going to add our paste, which is made from about 2 tablespoons of coconut, about a teaspoon of cumin seeds and about 4 to 5 light green chilies. Now you can use either fresh coconut or dry coconut. Either one goes well. And you're going to give all of this a nice mix. Now I've drained the water out of all the water out of these beans, and I'm just going to add the beans only. Give everything a very good mix along with the bagar. Now I'm going to add some 1 tablespoon of goda masala. This gives a very nice flavor. Now you can make this at home. I'll leave a link of this recipe in the description box as well as the comments box, or you can buy it. It's easily available. Now I've drained all the water out of the rice, and I'm going to add my rice to this mixture. Like I said, you can use basmati rice or you can use your regular rice that you use at home for cooking. Now remember that the water is boiling. The 2 cups of water should be boiling hot. We're going to give all of this a good mix so the rice gets nicely mixed up with the rest of the bagar. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. Mix it well. And now we are going to add the jaggery or the ghoul. So you can just crush it up a bit or grate it and add it. Mix that in well too. Now if you don't have jaggery or ghoul at home, you can add a pinch of sugar or sugar as per taste. Now I'm going to add the boiling hot 2 cups of water. We had 1 cup of rice, so now we're going to add 2 cups of water. Just spread it out evenly all over the rice. If there are any grains at the side, just take them in so that they get cooked with the water. And now all we have to do is, on a high flame, let this water come to a boil. Now the reason we added the boiling hot water is that it just fastens up the process. Your rice gets cooked faster. Now once it does come to a boil, then you just lower your flame to low, and then you just cover this and cook it for about another 5 minutes till all the water of the dish evaporates. So now I've turned my flame on to low, I've put a cover, and we're going to cook this, checking in between till all the water evaporates. So now you can see that all the water has evaporated. So switch off your flame, but keep this the dish covered for another 5 to 7 minutes. And now our rice is all ready. It's cooked. It's not mushy, but it's cooked just right. As you can see, all the grains are nice and separated. And everything is cooked perfectly. This rice is so flavorsome and so delicious. It's simple yet yummy. And now all we have to do is just garnish it with a mixture of fresh coconut and some chopped up coriander. And our dish is all ready to serve. This tastes amazingly well with some mango pickle and papad at the side.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.